Today we will make an AI character using leonardo.ai, then we will use DID to make our character speak some text. Leonardo.ai provides a number of ways to create stunning images from text prompts. There's so many great features here, but we will keep things simple. Our prompt will be a poised steampunk female host in a pristine white business suit, her eyes locked on the camera, her hands resting on the desk in front of her, the room around her empty and still. The result is this exquisite-looking individual. Because we want her to narrate our videos later on, we will use Leonardo's remove background feature to remove the background so we can superimpose her on top of other videos. DID is an amazing tool that lets us take a single image of a face and animate it to speak from a pre-prepared text. We will select Create Video. This will take us to the creation page where we can choose our presenter, or upload our own image for processing. The picture of our presenter needs to face the front, have a neutral expression with a closed mouth, have even and solid lighting, and the face area must be at least 200 pixels across. We will choose our cool and attractive presenter with the background removed. Now, we write, load or paste our scripted text into the text window. Here is one I prepared earlier. And, finally we set the process in motion. This will take quite a while to process, but you will receive an email when your video is ready to download. Now, we can see and hear the results. I can't wait.